Whispers of the Wild, Alaska, untamed beauty where nature reigns supreme. Towering mountains glistening under the midnight sun. Glaciers, ancient and immense, on an epic journey. Vast forests, teeming with life. At Anchorage Airport, the air thrummed with energy. Adventurers heading into the wilderness. My journey from rugged splendor to New York City, ready for the adventure ahead. Taking flight into the azure embrace. The engines roared, a powerful symphony of mechanical might, and slowly, gracefully, we began to taxi down the runway. The world outside my window blurred into a kaleidoscope of greens and blues as the plane gathered speed. And then, with a final surge of power, we were airborne, lifting off from the Alaskan wilderness and into the vast expanse of the sky. There is a certain magic to takeoff, a moment of exhilaration and wonder as the ground falls away and you're suspended between earth and sky. It's a feeling of freedom, of limitless possibilities stretching out before you. As I gazed out of the window, watching the familiar landscape of Anchorage shrink into the distance, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and excitement for the journey ahead. The sky, a canvas of endless blue, beckoned us higher. The sun, already high in the sky even though it was early morning, bathed the world in a warm golden light. Below, the Alaskan wilderness sprawled out in all its untamed glory, a vast tapestry of forests, rivers, and snow-capped peaks. A tapestry of majesty. America unveiled. As we soared higher, climbing through the clouds, the Alaskan wilderness gave way to the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains. Rivers snaked through valleys, glittering ribbons meandering forever. It was a beautiful reminder that we are all part of something much larger. On and on we flew, our metal bird carrying us across America. Encounters at 30,000 feet. Stories in transit. Long-haul flights are a unique experience. A melting pot of humanity brought together in a metal tube hurtling through the sky. There's a strange intimacy to it, this shared journey with complete strangers, and it often leads to unexpected conversations and connections. Next to me sat an elderly gentleman who was on his way to visit his grandchildren in New York. He told me stories of his life, of growing up in a different time, and witnessing firsthand the incredible changes that had taken place over the years. Across the aisle, a young couple returning from their honeymoon in Hawaii shared their excitement for the future, their faces glowing with happiness. And then there was the young mother traveling alone with her baby. The baby, of course, cried for a good portion of the flight, but she handled it all with such grace and patience that it was impossible not to be impressed. These brief encounters, these glimpses into the lives of others, were a reminder that everyone has a story to tell. A journey that has shaped who they are. Time zones and turbulence. Challenges in the clouds. Of course, no long-haul flight is without its challenges. There's the inevitable jet lag, that disorienting feeling of being out of sync with the world, your body still clinging to the rhythms of a different time zone. And then there's the turbulence, those sudden jolts and drops that can send shivers down even the most seasoned traveler's spine. But even these challenges, I found, were part of the adventure. They were a reminder that travel, like life itself, is unpredictable. That you can't always control the circumstances, but you can control how you react to them. And so, I embraced the jet lag and the turbulence, knowing that they were just small bumps in the road on a journey that was already proving to be unforgettable. To combat the fatigue, I lost myself in a good book, the words on the page transporting me to another world. I chatted with fellow passengers, sharing stories and laughter. And when the turbulence hit, I closed my eyes and pictured the destination that awaited me, the vibrant energy of New York City calling me forward. The city that never sleeps. A descent into the concrete jungle. As our flight approached New York City, the landscape below underwent another dramatic transformation. Gone were the vast expanses of wilderness and farmland, replaced by a sprawling metropolis of concrete, glass, and steel. Buildings rose up to meet us, towering monuments to human ambition and ingenuity. The sheer scale of the city was breathtaking, a testament to the millions of lives that intertwined within its bustling streets. From this altitude, it was easy to see why New York City was called the concrete jungle. And yet, there was also a certain beauty to it, a raw energy and vibrancy that pulsed from its very core. Our descent into John F. Kennedy International Airport was a gradual one, a slow spiraling down towards this concrete jungle. As we got closer, the details of the city came into sharper focus. The grid-like pattern of the streets, the green oasis of Central Park, the iconic silhouette of the Statue of Liberty standing proudly in the harbor. Reflections from the journey. Awe and gratitude. Touching down on the runway at JFK Airport, I felt a surge of emotions, relief, excitement, and a profound sense of gratitude. We had made it. We had traversed the vast expanse of the United States, from the wilds of Alaska to the bustling heart of New York City, in just a matter of hours. As I disembarked from the plane and stepped onto the tarmac, the air felt different, thicker, heavier, infused with the energy of millions of people. The noise of the city washed over me, the roar of traffic, the sirens wailing in the distance, the constant hum of human activity. I was back in civilization, back in the thick of it all. Looking back on my journey, I was struck by the incredible diversity of this country, the vastness of its landscapes, and the resilience of its people. I was reminded that for all our differences, we are united by a common thread, a shared history, a shared future, and a shared sense of wonder at the world around us. The magic of flight. A symphony of science and wonder. There's a certain magic to air travel, a sense of wonder that never quite fades no matter how many times you've flown. Perhaps it's the miracle of flight itself, the fact that we've conquered the skies and can now soar above the clouds with such ease. Or perhaps it's the unique perspective that flying offers, a chance to see the world from a completely different angle, to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that air travel is a remarkable feat of human ingenuity, a testament to our boundless curiosity and our desire to explore the world around us. It allows us to connect with people and places that would otherwise be inaccessible, to broaden our horizons and expand our understanding of the world. And so, I find myself marveling at the science that makes it all possible, the intricate network of engineering and technology that allows us to soar through the air at such incredible speeds. But more than that, I marvel at the wonder of it all, the sheer beauty of our planet as seen from above, the endless possibilities that lie ahead. An invitation to explore. Share your own adventures. As I made my way through the bustling terminal at JFK, my mind buzzing with memories of the journey, I couldn't help but feel a renewed sense of adventure. The world was vast and full of incredible places to discover, and I was eager to explore more of it. To all of you reading this, I encourage you to embrace the spirit of adventure, to step outside of your comfort zones and explore the world around you. Whether it's a cross-country flight or a weekend road trip, there's always something new to discover, something amazing to experience. Share your travel stories, your adventures, and your dreams with the world. Let's inspire each other to explore, to connect, and to marvel at the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. Until next time, the journey continues. The journey from Alaska to New York City may be over, but the spirit of adventure, the thirst for new experiences, will stay with me always. The world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and I, for one, can't wait to see where the journey takes me next. Until then, I'll keep my eyes on the skies, my heart open to new adventures, and my spirit soaring with the eagles. For the journey, as they say, is just as important as the destination. And sometimes it's the unexpected detours, the unplanned encounters, and the challenges overcome that make the journey truly unforgettable.